In the last video, I showed you how I organize my plein air set made of different brands of hard pastels that I call my Frankenset. I showed you how I organize the colors by value, and in this video, I want to explain why I chose the colors and how I use them. What makes this set work is that in each value, I have pastels that represent the primaries and the secondaries: red, yellow, blue, orange, purple, green. But not all primary colors are the same. Each one has a lean or a bias toward the other primaries. A blue may have more red or yellow, but still be blue. A yellow may have more of a red or blue cast, but still be yellow. Secondaries will lean towards the primary colors that they're made up of. A green may have more yellow or more blue, but still be recognizably green. What is important here is not only that each value be represented by the primary and secondary colors and the colors they lean towards. What is important is that each primary and secondary be as pure in color or saturated as possible. Here you can see all the primary and secondary colors in their respective values, and together they create a palette for me to work from. Their pure color is for a purpose, because I want to be able to mix a wide variety of colors, and the brighter the colors are on my palette, the more colors I can mix. Here's what you need to know about your palette. You can always dull down a bright palette, but you can't brighten a dull palette. Along with my saturated primary and secondary colors, I have a variety of ishes. These are dulled versions of primary and secondary colors and are there for convenience, so I don't have to spend my time color mixing. An ish is a color that has all three primaries in it. Depending on the ratio of each primary in the mixture will give you a different ish. Here I start with a yellow red and then layer a blue purple on top, which dulls it right down, giving me a light purplish color. If I add more yellow, it becomes yellowish. If I add more purple, it becomes a darker purplish. The shift in the colors tend to be subtle. And here you can see how closely the mixture I created resembles the ishy pastels that are in the set. My Frankenset works because it has a full value range with saturated primary and secondary colors, and the primary and secondaries they lean towards. This allows me to mix and create a wide variety of colors in different values. Plus, I have some nice ishy colors to make color mixing easier. Each color has a purpose, and I can paint a variety of subjects with this palette. When I combine it with my Terry Ludwig sets, which are much softer and even more saturated, I can pretty much paint anything. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like more in-depth lessons, please visit my Patreon site, The Painter's Classroom, where for $5 a month you get lessons in the form of videos, blogs, and handouts. Plus, you get your art questions answered. See you there!